Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. I love to do all things home decor and I like to try to keep it on a budget. So today's video, I'm just sharing with you guys just my journey in searching for art for this living room. If you've been on my channel for the last few videos, you know that I've kind of like had this empty space and been trying to like figure out what to do with it. And so I'm going to take you guys through all the art that I have right now, or at least most of the pieces that I have that I think could work in this space. And you guys can vote and let me know which one you guys are loving. I think I may just need one of these to be a placeholder for now. I cannot come across something that I absolutely love. And because I have so many art pieces at this point, I do not want to buy something else I'm not like over the moon about. So I'm going to hold off on buying anything new until I'm like in love with something. I feel almost the same about all of these, like that, like I like them but I don't love them, so I don't want to buy anything else that feels like that. Anyway, let's jump into this video and please vote and help me figure out which art piece would go best in this room. So really quick recap, this space over the sofa is the space we're trying to find art for. So this is a piece that I have. Originally I bought it with intention to hang it over my bed, but it is a minimalist, very modern looking abstract piece of art. I feel like it goes with the mid-century modern look of the slatted wall. However, I feel like it's kind of clashing with the like boho, like earthy vibe of the pillows. So I think that's what's like the fine lines in it are kind of, I don't know. They're not giving the wabi-sabi vibes that I'm going for. But I'm not against it. I don't hate it. I'm not sure if I love it. But let me know what you guys think, if this one is a go or a no-go. Okay, option number 2 is my absolute favorite pieces of art that I have. These used to be in this living room before I started the makeover, and I'm obsessed with them. They no longer feel like they go with the throw pillows. I feel like they just completely clash now because the colors in the fabric and the style just don't really match. But I love these throw pillows, so I want to keep them. I think they're more the direction and colors that I would want for this room. Second con is that now that I have the slatted wall and the curtains here, they don't really fit well in between the two. So size-wise, I think they're just too big. But let me know your thoughts. I want to hear what you guys think is the best of my options. So this one I really do love. This is a seagrass wall hanging. I love the shape for this room. I love the texture that brings in more of that earthy vibe. I love the mid-century modern wall, but it also makes the room a little bit more modern. So I want something that brings more of that earthy back in. I kind of like the combination of the two styles. So I don't want to lean all the way into the mid-century modern look. However, although I love this piece, it does feel slightly a little bit too small. And then I'm like, do I want to introduce another texture that feels like a lot is kind of going on here? So I don't know. I love this. I think the more that I stare at it, the more that I love it. But I also don't feel fully committed to the way that it's kind of bringing the room together. So let me know what you guys think about this one. So option number 4 was also from that same Ross haul that I did when I grabbed the first one. They didn't come as a set, but they were both there at the Ross, so I grabbed both of them. They were about $13 each. And these pieces, I think, honestly inspired me to do the slatted wall because I loved the dark wood up against the lime wash. The contrast was so good. Okay, hear me out. I know this seems weird to style something that's like the same as this right here. However, I don't want more going on in this room. It already feels like a lot's going on in here. And I don't want to introduce a new texture on the wall. So I really liked the other thing I had up there, this raffia wall hanging. I do like that. However, somehow I feel like, I don't know, like it would be better with the two wooden pictures and just kind of like carry over the wood behind the sofa. I could be wrong here. I could be wrong. So please let me know in the comments. But I think, I don't know, I feel like the wood might be the move right now. I can always switch it later, but I'm thinking that's what I'm gonna go with. So I actually was filming a Christmas video for you guys, which I will post in the next couple days. And while I was filming that video, I actually came across some more art that was in my shed that I had kind of forgotten about, which I also wanted to try in this space now. Okay, so when I went out to find my Christmas tree, I actually ran into these in my storage. And they are a little damaged from being in storage. They got scratched up. These were like a DIY I found from a thrift store and had painted all one color. And I love that they're minimal but still have like texture and shape to them. But they're only one color. So I think this might be a good other option for the art. So I'm gonna fix them up a little bit. I'm gonna try these out. So this is them in place. Is that what we need? Okay, I kind of like them sideways. If it was like hung up, just picture it up here. I don't know. So this was a super quick, easy DIY just to fix it up. I just mixed up some paint. I really wanted it to be more black than brown, like pretty much almost black, but just a little hint of brown just to soften up the black. Okay, I've fixed them now and they're dry. And my idea is to kind of hang them in a different way where I'm thinking horizontally, and then where the pieces aren't matched up, they're just like this, opposite of each other. I don't know if you can see through my body, but let's try it out. I feel like I need something different. I don't know. So I wanted to line this up to the center of the sofa. Don't judge me because I know I'm doing this in the most ghetto way possible. But it's where we are. So yeah, I think that's it. Yep, that looks very lined up. So now I think this one needs to go. I'm so ghetto. Okay, so I need it to be straight up from here. Don't go too far in. That's it. What do we think? Okay, so you have the opposite. And let's see what they look like. The right side up. I might need to put command strips on the back. Okay, I kind of do like it better the right way. I don't know. You guys tell me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. For now, I'm definitely going to stick with the two-piece stacked on top of each other. I am open to suggestions. Let me know which one you guys thought was your favorite. I will definitely be open to switching. As I come out of the Christmas season, I'm definitely going to be like taking all my Christmas decor down and just resetting things. So that'll be a great time to pick out some new art. If you guys find anything, come across anything, feel free to shoot me a link. I definitely love wall tapestries, kind of like the bohemian like rug, kind of like a rug wall art kind of thing, if you will. So if you see anything that's like a decent price, because everything I've been seeing is like $300 or $200, so I don't want to do that. But if you see something that's a decent price, go ahead and shoot it my way. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate all of you guys, and I hope whatever you celebrate, whether it's Christmas or another holiday, I pray that you're experiencing so much love, joy, and peace in this season, and there's no stress. That stress is far removed from you. And I just even pray that as we go into this new year, that you have vision for what is ahead, that you have just motivation to move forward in the things that are for you. And I think that's something that I have been just marinating on and trying to set my heart on, is like knowing what is for me, what God has for me, what he's intended for me, and not fixing my eyes on anything else that's meant for someone else. And so I pray that that encourages you today. As always, I love you. Keep spreading the love and light, and I will catch you on the next one. I don't fit into your box.